Hi friends, welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my videos. And today in this video I am going to discuss about distinct in Oracle SQL. So why to use distinct and how to use distinct key and what is the use of distinct. So before moving to video, kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel. So if you not subscribe to get more videos on SQL, Oracle, ETL testing and SQL developer videos. Okay, so let's move to Excel sheet. So I made here some table. So here it is distinct. So first column is product ID, second column is items, third one is sold, how many items sold, and this is date. On particular date 18/1/2023 these items are sold out. So in these are the quantities how much they sold. So here are the product IDs. Okay, so but I want here distinct items. Okay, so you can see here the mobile is sold 2 pieces, and also mobile is repeated here, sold 3 on same date. Okay, so as per the morning it is sold mobile, and after that fridge sold out, and then again mobile is sold out, record added to the database. So but I want the distinct items. Okay, so to get distinct items, so what are the distinct items here? Mobile, fridge, TV, laptop, watch. So mobile is repeated here, this is duplicate of this one. Okay, so but this mobile also sold out on the same day, 3 extra. Okay, 3 plus 2 5 total mobiles sold out. But we want what items, distinct items sold on 18/1/2023. Okay, for that we have to use distinct keyword. So with another example I tell you this one. Okay, so I have one table here, D_1. Okay, so this is what these are the records, ID 100, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are the cities, Dharwad, Hubli, Haveri, Bellary, and these are the distances. Okay, corresponding distances. But here I want to fetch only the distinct cities. Okay, I don't want repeated cities, only I want distinct cities from D_1 table. So how you can write the query here? So write the query here like select distinct, okay, city from D_1. So you can now control enter, so you will get here only distinct cities. Okay, you can see here only you get Dharwad, Haveri, Bellary, Hubli. Okay, so this is what the result here. But you can see here in our table we have Dharwad 2 times and Hubli, Haveri, Bellary 2 times. But repeated cities are not in our output. So we have only the distinct cities. Okay, so this is what the thing here you can observe in output, Dharwad, Haveri, Bellary, Hubli. So like this you can go for practicing so many queries. Okay, so many create so many tables and practice the things like using distinct key, so you will get complete idea about distinct city. So in the real time this concept is also very popular. Okay, so many times you have to use this distinct key because to retrieve in retail domain analysis also, to retrieve how many items sold on particular date, or from this date to that date, how many distinct items sold. Okay, you have to use distinct key. Okay, so this is what the thing I am going to show you in this video. And if you like this video, like video and kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel. So I hope this is the video what I want to inform you give information about the things. So thank you for watching, and I will be with you in some more tricky queries on SQL, Oracle, and about ETL concepts. Okay, so in my future videos. So for that to get the notification, so kindly subscribe to my channel. So till that, bye bye, have a nice day.